The next question says, a demand curve that illustrates the law of demand blank. And so the first answer choice says A, shows that the quantity demanded increases as the prices rise. B, has a positive slope. C, is upward sloping. Or D, shows that the quantity demanded increases as the price falls. So demand curve that illustrates the law of demand is basically any conventional demand curve, right? So let's draw that really quickly. And we have price on the y-axis, quantity on the x-axis, and this is our demand curve, right? Demand. So right off the bat, we can see this is a negative sloping curve. Demand curve is almost always negative sloping. B and C both say positive and upward, so we can eliminate those right off the bat. And so the final question is, what is the relationship that the law of demand tells us exists between price and quantity? When price goes up, does quantity go up or down? So if price goes up, we know that quantity demanded goes down, right? A high price means a low quantity demanded. And a low price means a high quantity demanded. And D is the answer choice that gets this relationship correct. Quantity demanded increases as the price falls. As price goes down, quantity demanded goes up. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. In economics, demand and supply play an important role to decide the allocation of resources, especially in the case of a market economy. Demand is a quantity that a consumer is willing to purchase at a given price in a particular period. The demand is determined with various factors that are mainly divided into two parts as the price and the factors other than price, like income of consumer, taste and preferences, price of related goods, etc. If we draw the demand equation on the graph, the demand curve, then it shows a negative relationship between the price and the quantity demanded, because if price increases, keeping the other factors remaining the same, quantity demanded falls. That is known as the law of demand. Therefore, option D is correct option. So some minor grammatical issues, but good answer. And we can move on to the next question.